What's up, guys? Day one of Race Week 2022. Just got to the shop, meeting up with Ryan and Grant. Silas just ran down the GTR to the car wash to get it wiped down. We're gonna head to Thunder Valley in about 15 minutes, get the cars teched in, hang out, make a pass, and head south. So we're really excited. Not trying to break any records or anything, or break anything, to be honest with you. Just trying to have a good time and kind of enjoy this few days. So Ryan will keep you all posted, and it's going to be cool seeing a Viper on there and actually being driven. So we're excited to do that. So stay tuned. Thanks for all your support.
Hello, y'all. Happy to see y'all come up here. Looks like we're right now about 270 cars. That's pretty good. We did a really awesome job.
Get that hood prop. This thing's hot. Yeah, that was cool. Are you serious? No. Sorry.
You said first Viper on Raceweek?
You can take a lot more off the start. I'm gonna fucking let it eat next time.
You say it was the first Viper on Raceweek?
Yeah. Yeah, but I was
11.3 at 136. Damn, nailed it on the dot even. 130.
What's up, guys? Day one Race Week here at Noble. We made our first pass just now. You know, I've never like launched this car before ever, so kind of took it easy. Took Grant's advice. We're just out here to have a little bit of fun and have a good time. So I rolled out of the hole, floored it, you know, just as soon as I noticed the car was moving, and went 1130s at 136. So we're super happy with that. I mean, we're just out here having a good time. I'm not trying to wreck my car or do anything crazy like that. So, but I think I'm going to give it some more off the launch next time. So I'm going to try to get in the 10s this week. So we'll see how that goes. Thank you.
Okay. How's your pass, Silas?
It was beautiful. It was 794 at 125.
It's adding up.
Literally.
For King. And we'll have the slowest 60 foot on the planet. No, we won't. It didn't reset.
Snapback and gameplay.
Come back.
And which class are you running?
Stick shift.
Yeah, that's